In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a seriously high converting homepage for your e-com store. For context, this is CRO Insights episode number 94. And we've been doing these videos for a long time, but I've been doing conversion rate optimization for the past 12 years. If you'd like to talk before we get into this about how we can help you skyrocket your brand's conversion rates, average order values, lifetime value, and all of that good stuff, then hit the link in the description below. But let's get into today's transformation. So for context, I run one of Europe's largest CRO and landing page agencies. We've actually designed more landing pages than any agency on this planet. And I'm going to show you a real life example of a before and after design that we've done recently within the agency. Let's have a look at the before design. So it kind of looks like any typical kind of Shopify or ecom theme that you get. You've got this hero shots, you've got this under optimized above the fold, and you go straight into the best sellers. Versus our version, we've reorganized that navigation. We put a nice notice bar on there to convey the trust and quality of the store. We then support the navigation with our trust policy bar, mentioning things like the free and reliable shipping, the guarantees that we offer. Now, instead of just having this kind of very broad, particularly kind of ugly on mobile, above the fold shot on your phone, now we have this clear headline. We're telling people the benefit of the product. We're telling people what the outcome of what people are going to get when they purchase the product from this store. So we use a nice headline that says world-class gear that helps you play with more confidence. All of a sudden, anyone who's coming to the store as a cold consumer can see and visualize the value and the outcome they're going to get versus the before design that did none of that. We support that with a little sub-headline and our most important benefit-driven bullet points. Real quick tip, guys, if you don't have these above the fold on your pages, just in 3 simple little statements, summarize what you do as a store and what the outcome customers get when they purchase from you is in plain text. It works really well. Below that, we've got our full width contrasting call to action that explains exactly what happens when they click it versus the kind of very small tiny one on the old page that was too small to even see. And we support that with some more trust and authority. We're leveraging these footballers' authority, we're showcasing the social proof and awards we've won, and we're just going to turn way more people from clicks into customers. That's what we do, that's what we've done, that's what we eat, sleep, live and breathe. Make sure you subscribe for this video if you like it, hit the thumbs up, and most importantly, book in that free discovery call by using the link in the description, and I'll see you in the very next video.